We are on to final blocking on this, and we went ahead and put the panels together to do a test fit. And this car is also getting stripes, so it's getting the normal SS stripes that go down the hood, the header panel, up into those little pockets. Nothing on the roof, but it's also the trunk and that filler panel right there. So I need to spray it like this to make sure everything lines up perfect. The way that I'm gonna accomplish that with no hard edges or lines or anything stupid is we're going to lay our sealer, which obviously these still need blocked with 320 and we need to do final prep on everything. But we're going to mask it up, spray our primer sealer, and then after the sealer, we'll lay our black along the striped areas, lay out all our stripes, and then after that, we will pull the hood, the header panel, that rear filler panel, or cowl panel right there, and the trunk. We'll remove all that after we get our stripes laid, and then spray our blue, and then it's clear coat on everything, and then we'll put it back together after. So let's get to it.
What'd we get?
Inner quarter panel, finally. I shouldn't say finally, it's a ton of parts. So Nikki is starting with the DA now. So she already has the hood fully 1500, fully done. So you can see there's no texture. That takes care of all the imperfections, all the little specks of dust, and anything that might have landed in the paint while it was drying.
So I just finished up 2000 and I'm about to start on 3. I use 3M Trizac foam discs. They're amazing, love them. Highly recommend. Okay, so I finished the hood. Buffing. She's so pretty. No scratches, super flat, and now I'm going to polish. I've already started a little bit over here.
Getting this Camaro all finished up and ready for paint. So Jesse's putting in some new latches.
Dude, it's a Japanese, what do they call those things? The Japanese,
Finger trap.
Yeah, dude. Look at that.
So Jesse's over here playing.
With this fire hazard.
So his old latches were pretty rough. We should have taken those out a while ago, but I was waiting on these, which I did get them. So Jesse just greased them up and is gonna put them in the door.
Oh, that's cool. Almost done. I got the other one done.
Then I can finish sanding this thing and get it in the booth. So I'm hoping that we paint this before Autorama, so we'll see. It's definitely gonna be a push. What'd you say?
It's a schmedium.
They're
Oh.
comfortable under my shirts,
Oh yeah.
Sweater.
but I don't like small shirts. I like large shirts
So why are you wearing one?
because they're more comfortable under my shirts.
Got it. So what did you want to tell the people?
Oh, yeah, so I'm doing it this way because
What? Doing what? What?
we're laying the stripes and we're stopping it under the spoiler. So this is painted the blue
Yeah.
and there's no stripe coming down, even though when it's on the spoiler, it'll just stop under here and it kind of looks funny. But apparently from factory, the ones that came with the spoiler, the stripe stopped under the spoiler and this is painted. The ones that were, the spoiler was a dealer add-on, the trunk had the stripes going underneath here because if it's originally didn't have
A spoiler.
then the stripes went
Down.
down.
Straight.
So if
Yeah.
they added it, the stripes are going to go down and the spoiler's on top. It doesn't matter. It looks great either way, but I prefer it the other way. I do think it looks better. But we're about done. I'm going to finish this. I need to cut in between, lay the stripes down.
Yeah, that looks
I'm gonna need
awesome.
You and Nikki's help, or probably just one of your help to pull the trunk off, put it on a stand, tape the bottom.
And then do the hood.
Yeah, because these are done now.
And we're not doing the roof.
No, it doesn't have roof stripes.
Sweet. All right, I'll let you get to it.
Yep. Time to do the hood.
Oh God, damn, you made me feel sweet. And if I'm losing my mind, would you lose yours with me? You made me wanna melt like butter in the pan. It's hard to keep my cool, knowing I'm your man. So let's spend some time wasting it away. Your love is like music. You went and changed the game. We're breaking all the rules. Our signs don't match. Immigration issues, trying to prove I'm with you. I'm gonna miss you. We'll hate to see you go. Wish time could just go slow. Will truly dim my heart, but it's only time apart. In no time we gon' be right back, right by my side like a monkey on my back. It's been a ride and we know we need it done. I guess you need the Lord